Hello, in this video I want to introduce the TagSelector version 2. What do you do with the TagSelector? If you downloaded it, you probably get this window. If you add cards, then you have the TagSelector on the right side. If you want to have it on the left side, you can just put it on the left side. If you want it on the bottom, just put it on the bottom. If you don't want it inside the window, just put it outside of the window. But so what can you actually do? Just write a tag in here, for example. You have a lot of math stuff and you don't want to write math in here. Then you just check the math tag and it appears or disappears. This doesn't work so much with only one field, so let's add another one for physics. So now I have a math card. I want to add a math card, so let's write some math. And I decided to, no, it should be a physics card. Okay. Of course it can be both. And you sometimes feel yourself in a situation where you want to have math and physics, but you want to have like a faster, more speed up than just checking two. So just add this one and check this one. Doesn't matter. Just space separate all the specific tags that you want to have. You can of course have more than this one, right? If you think, oh, I don't want to use the tag selector at the moment, just close it down. And if you want to get it back, right click here, just free field, and show tag selector. Let's put it on the left side. Close this one. Yes. And let's open the browser. And of course you have the tag selector available here. For all the people who use the version 1, you don't have any problems with the data now. Whatever data you add in here, it will be saved. So let's close the browser and add cards. You see the TTT is there. And of course, if you are studying and you want to edit your card, then you have the tag selector as well. And in case something like this happens, so what I mean is you just added too many tags and you want to remove them, just click them and remove them. Click them and remove them. So that's basically it. Now I want to have a little bit more detailed options. You also have the add-ons folder, and you can, by the way, clear all your data now. So if you think you just like messed up or something went wrong, just clear all your data, restart Anki, and everything is fine again. You can also disable it, but it's not with this button. So I will show you how to disable it. Just open the edit one. And like I showed you, you have 3 places where this add-on is placed: in the add cards dialog, in the browser, and in the edit notes. That's the one that we just opened. And if you set one of these to no, then of course in this place it will not appear. So you don't want to have it in the browser, just say no here. Don't want to have it in the edit cards, just say no here. If you're not satisfied with like this stuff over here, you can also edit that. So you see the G title bar string tag selector is what comes here. If you want to change it to, oh my god, I'm so glorious or whatever, just change it here. Then you see this G column headline string says this is basically just what is drawn here. If you make this empty as stated here, then this will not be shown, so you will save a little bit of space if you make that empty. The way how I use it is I make this one empty and use this one. So I just delete the sharp, put the sharp here, and then this thing goes over here so I have more space. If you want some further advanced settings, for example, more or less space here or different colors, then you have to go into your add-ons folder. Depending on your system, this add-ons folder will be in another place. So search on the Anki website where it is located in your case. If you found your add-ons folder, then you just open Tag Selector Commons. You have this file, all classes, and then you have G default space between tag fields is set to 3. If you make that to 0, then you have 0 space. If you make that to 5, then you have 5 pixels of space. Don't mess with this one. If you set this to a different number, then all your data will be lost at the next start of Anki. So just touch this one. If you want to check the colors, change the colors, then you have this tag selector GUI file. Looks like this. Don't care about what is written here, just scroll a little bit down, and you see this part for special colors. You can put a sharp before the R. Make sure there's no space in between. Python does not like spaces so much. Or just remove the whole line, that will also work. And then you can use these colors for coloring your tag selector. So for example, these settings, saved, closed, Anki, and now start again, will result in this one, just if you like. Yeah, so that's basically it for the Tag Selector version 2. If you have any questions, comments, reviews, bug reports, if you just want to say thank you or something, you can put it in the review section on the website. If you have anything you have to say that you want that I read it, that I get a notification, then write something in the comments of this video. I will not check the forums on Anki. I will not check the reviews, or maybe just once half a year. So especially for bug reports or questions, write in the comments under the YouTube video and I will answer it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I hope this tool will help you as much as it helps me.